Yes, so Benfica coach single out Pedro Neto for a special praise, pointing to the winger's constant threat on a one-on-one duel. Im tok say Neto na one of Chelsea's key weapon for build-up play. Honestly, if you see Pedro Neto, the guy don improve tremendously. The guy don become a complete player. In front of goal, dat guy dey deadly. If you watch our 3 matches wey we play wey e score goal, na one-on-one with goalkeeper, and im score the goals with so much calmness. And if you watch the guy, he know how to play with the team, he know how to help the team defend, and he know how to play under the coach instruction. If they put am for right, he dey play very well. Even they put am for left, he still dey play very well. So if he continue with this kind of form, me I no go doubt say he go fit fight for the player of the season award, and I go wish am the best of luck so that he go continue with this kind of form and he go score plenty goals for Chelsea. Wetin be una thought concerning Pedro Neto? Make una put am for the comment section. Now thank you very much for watching.